What's the meaning of climb? Climb. Climb.
Climb. Climb. Climb refers to the act of ascending or moving upward, typically by using one's hands or feet to scale a steep surface such as a mountain, ladder, or staircase. The result of climbing can be physical exertion, improved cardiovascular health, and a sense of accomplishment upon reaching a summit or completing a challenging climb. Climbing can also promote mental toughness, problem-solving skills, and the development of trust and communication among climbing partners. It can be a rewarding and exhilarating activity for those who enjoy a physical and mental challenge.